For this exercise, you'll be working with a program known as Padlet, and I have shared a pre-made Padlet exactly like this one with your breakout groups. If you move into your breakout groups, you'll see a link in there, and if you click on it, it will direct you to your group's copy of this document. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be taking this and you're going to be building in the lines necessary to complete the food web for these organisms in this particular ecosystem. I do want you to know that all of these images you are welcome to move around and spread out. You may want to try to group them or arrange them in some pattern that might make sense, maybe on things lower in the food chain down low, things higher in the food chain up high, however you want to do it. To add the lines to this that you would need to complete a food web, you would use the 3 dots found on each of these cards, maybe the tick. We'll use that as an example. And when you get that, you'll get this pop-up that comes up. We want to connect to a post. And when we do that, we can select any other creature to connect it to. I'm going to connect the tick to the grizzly bear, and I can just click connect, and then the line appears. Make sure that your arrows are pointing in the appropriate direction. You can delete arrows if need be. Disconnect from a post. You can also connect the tick to a variety of living things, and with many of these you will have more than one single arrow. I'm not going to tell you exactly what each of these things eats or where it obtains its energy from. That's something I'd like you and your breakout group members to discuss and think through. After you've had the opportunity to do so, we'll kind of talk about the correct answers in your breakout group, can make adjustments if they're even needed. All right, so this is what we're going to be looking at, and this is how you use at least this part of the Padlet software.